it.
Yeah? Are you ready to color your last egg?
That's right.
Alright, get your egg. Show Mommy the egg.
This egg?
It's an egg. Pick one. You want it to go in blue?
Yes.
Go ahead. Now we gotta wait.
You want to wait?
Who are we coloring eggs for? Who are we coloring eggs for?
I'll get it. Baby Bunny.
The Easter Bunny. You gonna get it? Do you need help?
No, how to get it?
Okay, Hallie can do it.
Get it. I will get it a... Do they not get it? Let's put it.
Whose shirt are you wearing?
Daddy's
Yeah, Daddy's shirt. Is that one done?
I will get it.
Oh, that's a pretty egg. Is that one done?
That's...
All right.
Wait.
Can you say, I love you, Daddy?
I love you, Daddy.
I miss you, Daddy.
I miss you, Daddy.
Can you wave? Bye?
Bye.